Here's a short story about our smart baby beluga. The smart baby beluga. In the icy waters of the Arctic, a baby beluga swam anxiously beside its injured mother. The mother had been hurt by a sharp piece of ice, and the baby didn't know what to do. Then the smart little beluga had an idea. I need to find someone to help my mom, the baby thought. It swam toward the shore, where it had once seen humans walking. The baby cautiously approached, knowing humans could be both kind and dangerous. Near the shore, it spotted a young man fishing. The baby beluga splashed and chirped loudly, trying to get his attention. At first, the man was confused, but when the baby swam a little closer and then turned to swim away, he understood. Something must be wrong, the man said, grabbing his small boat and following the baby. The little beluga led the man to where its mother was floating weakly in the water. The young man saw the injury and acted quickly. He gently lifted the mother beluga's head to keep her breathing above the water, then used a kit from his boat to carefully remove the sharp ice and clean the wound. The mother beluga let out a soft, thankful call. The baby chirped happily and swam in circles, grateful for the man's help. The young man stayed for hours to ensure the mother was strong enough to swim again. When she finally regained her strength, the two belugas swam close to the man as if to say, "Thank you." The man smiled, knowing he had done something good. He waved as the smart baby beluga and its mother disappeared into the cold, shimmering waters, safe and sound. Moral Lameba. Intelligence and courage can lead to finding help in unexpected places. Never be afraid to seek help when you need it. Would you like me to create an image prompt for this story?